Welcome back to another episode of Cowboy Deploy, where today we're not deploying anything.
No, well, we will. Come on.
Oh, we are? Oh, okay.
Give us a minute.
Okay.
We will deploy.
Oh, we are deploying. All right.
So let's have a quick little sneak peek of what we worked on this week.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Hey,
10-20.
10-20 at checkout.
20%
for
off
the-
if you make it 20%.
Here we
Bro,
go, boys.
this looks crazy.
Yeah, so Zach's never seen this. I love doing these kind of things.
Because I don't even look at the Figma because I like to keep it a surprise.
Yeah,
This
here
is
we go.
crazy.
So what are we looking at today? So today what we are working on is why did we do this? I like to talk about these things is why are we building this? We're trying to fix or improve activation. So what does that look like when you land in the system? Currently we throw you into the Kanban board, there's some projects and it kind of only shows you one thing, which is project management. But Clipflow is a lot more than that, obviously, as it's been built out. So what we do now, we know that booking a demo has a high likelihood of activating, right? Because we get to actually show them, talk to them, understand their business, show how Clipflow fits into that and solves their actual problems. We've added highlighted support because again, same thing, booking a demo thing, and then linking to help docs. Now, if you're an agency as well, you'll see your invite client. So that's one of the big activation steps for them that happens over here. And then what we've done as well is we've pulled out all the media to review because it's one of the core pieces in Clipflow. Now we do see demo projects, so there will be some media. So instantly you'll be like, oh, I get it. This is how we review media. It's also a screen we built so that we wanted it to be powerful regardless of if you're new or if you've been using for a long time. So now you can jump in, you can say, okay, here's some media that I need to go and review. Cool. As that gets reviewed, that list cleans up. Posts to publish. So these are posts that are marked as ready. So this will show you when they're due. So this one was due 9 days ago. Whoops, missed that one. Obviously, this is just Devo data.
Yeah, I was going to say,
data.
who's your scheduler?
Yeah,
He's not in the
yeah.
call, is he?
That's all nonsense.
Oh, no.
But yeah, so you get that. It links to the scheduler. So it's hinting at what's in the system. So media review, post scheduling, recent outliers. So this shows off your analytics. So this is like pulling out the 6 most recent outliers. So the highest
So cool.
relative to your median. Yeah, so you can quickly see these are ones that are doing well recently. So you should pay attention to that. And then down here, all the projects that have had activity. So things that have recently been updated kind of flow up to the top. So the most recently updated going down. So it's bringing data up and front and center for you to see. And obviously this allows us also to add on top of as we go. It's just that gives you that feeling. It also feels like there's a bit going on. So it feels a bit more,
bro. It feels
polished.
like it's where you want to land. This is where I want to land.
Yes.
So sick.
So that's what we worked on this week. I'm actually just putting that in now. There's a couple of little bit of bits and pieces of polish, like blank states and stuff, but that can come in the next round. We believe in shipping fast, and I want to see what it feels like in staging and in production.
Oh, so sick, dude. I was literally thinking about this. We were making reels where I'm like showing the app and I'm like, I just show Kanban. But now we can show this, and it's like so much usable data.
I just commented on your reel that went out with like your app doesn't have enough features, and then you did the laptop thing.
And I just showed the same
every
feature.
screen was the same screen. I was like, what are you doing?
Well, that's a good point. I should make another one where it's obviously different features. Yeah, that makes sense.
But I think it's hilarious just because you're just doing. What does that have to do with anything? I didn't get it. Like I was just like, it's funny. No one's paying attention to the screen.
No, dude, it got lots of views.
That's what Daz and I've been thinking about this a lot. But the cool thing is I've actually hidden the buttons for some of these other screens it's going to lead into, which is one of them is the media screen. So there's going to be a new screen for media, which we had in previous versions of Clipflow. We could see all the media that required reviews. And
sick.
We've got a whole bunch of cool stuff around that. And then also Daryl's rebuilt the client screen because obviously for agencies, seeing clients, the list, and then also adding them and managing them, he's made it really, really cool. So I'm excited to get that in as well.
Dang,
so the next couple of weeks, we're making a lot of improvements to this kind of the core experience and just tidying up and like tying all the loose ends together. Rather than adding, I guess, new features, it's like, how do we make this thing feel cohesive now?
Yeah, man. So freaking sick. We said this morning on a chat, but like we have so many features that you forget to bring them up in a call with people. And even me, I'm like, oh yeah, client portal. And so it makes sense to kind of tie them together. But I feel like this is like step one in that direction. So sick.
Exactly right.
I'm genuinely amped. It's
the
so
client
cool.
screen is gonna, it's so good. I'm excited to build that one as well. So it feels nice because like there's like steps now. So it's like these screens, and then we know that the next thing that comes up is publishing to platform because a lot of people have been asking for that. So Yeah, I mean, it feels like there's a nice, clear roadmap right now. We have people coming in. We've had lots of good chats. We're just trying to improve this activation, and all of these little pieces should do that. But the app's feeling sick, so I'm happy with that. That's a good start.
Pumped, dude.
KPI
Nice.
double activations from free trials. That's the North Star.
It's a good
That's
one.
the goal. We're gonna get them.
It's coming, dude.
Those are rookie numbers, bro. 10x activations.
10x. Wait, can you? Yeah, we could probably just support 10x inside that. I think we've got like 1 in 10. So if we could get 100% activated,
100% activation.
Yeah.
So sick, boys. Good work, lads.
Yeah, maybe. Is that right? Would that be 10xing?
Yeah, if we're getting 1 in every 10 and we 10x it, then we're getting 10 in 10.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
That means it's not possible. We could get more leads. I don't know.
I'd be happy with doubling it because then that halves our acquisition costs. So all good. And then we do it again. Then we do it again. Then we do it again.
Keep going.
Just keep doing it again. Start getting into unit economics.
Yeah,
Dang.
That's what we want. All right. Well, this is dragging. Anything exciting anyone else worked on this week?
Just making reels, dude. But it feels like actually everything we're posting is getting a few thousand views each one. So even though we had a bit of a quiet week last week, we didn't have some big outliers. It feels like the new trial reels are all hitting a couple thousand, which is very nice.
Yeah,
Bring up
you're
analytics.
underselling it massively because the Instagram's like every video has like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000, 4,000. We're about 2 weeks now away from when we were getting 300 views a reel, and you're like, yeah, we get shit views. It's only 1,000.
Considering
I
you
think
guys
we're
pay me
genuinely
to sell
about
it.
2 weeks away from that point where you were posting things and we were like, oh, a 950. And now it's
Yeah, that is
every
pretty
single
crazy,
one.
dude.
But look at this. So that one was only posted 6 days ago, and that got 4,000 views.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Mm.
That's
sorry.
crazy. Even
And all of Ken's
45,000.
ones going well. Ken, you got a few good ones going out.
Yeah. Yes,
Are you
sir.
looking at all the broad analytics?
I was just looking on Instagram. I don't have Clipflow open.
Oh, fair enough.
I just check it every now and then to see how many views you're getting.
Yeah, there we go. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
No, it's very, very sick to see this and just use.
Wait,
this
hold
feature
up.
as well.
Hold up. An Instagram post. What am I looking at here?
This is
What?
Jard.
Oh, that's. I was like, damn, baby, we did it. 25,000
The North
views.
Star here. So we're trying to close this gap, boys.
So we just loaded their data in
Yeah,
as a
the
game.
leaderboard just went like we're a long way from the top now.
All right, game on, boys. Game on.
Yeah.
Now we can have a benchmark.
That
Yeah.
tripped me so hard, dude. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
Epic stuff, boys.
Sweet. And Dazza, anything
Me.
exciting on your end?
I worked on some cool stuff this morning. Absolutely chomped through all of my Claude usage to the point that I had to stop and like go and do normal work. And I was like, I'm lost without it. But I did some cool stuff with like generating carousels automatically, and then also the lead gen website on the other side of that same carousel. It's pretty cool. I had to do some work getting the token usage down because it was doing some stupid stuff, but pretty cool. I was doing like Instagram analysis, so I'll give it a profile, and then it goes and it scrapes the profile, all the top reels, gives you this big analysis document, turns it into 6 or 7 slides with the last one saying the comment journey or whatever, and then creates a landing page on the other side of that. Now, what I have to figure out at some point is where that landing page lives and all of that, but the actual like production of it all works. It's pretty cool.
Dang, dude. And it only cost me $400 a post. Thanks, Claude.
Well, so I got very lucky that when I had my usage, when it was like, you've used your thing, I went into Claude usage and it's like, Claude's giving you $150 free extra usage. I'm like, thanks, I'm going to chomp through that. I've got the carousel in Clipflow. I will get you also to maybe do a video recording of talking through that person's channel, and then we can just put their reels behind and stuff, because then we get two opportunities to push to the same lead gen, and we can do like you green screen like this guy's a 14-year-old and he gets 1 million views, blah blah blah, and all the data's there, so you don't have to like, you just have to make a
How's he
script
on
from the
social
data.
media then?
Yeah, mustn't be Australian.
Oh, yeah, he is. Yeah, it's the kid that met Frank.
Oh yeah, dude, weapon.
Yeah, he's got some sick stuff. Anyway, I was like, this morning I was doing the analysis on his just because I wanted to get the scripts out and just see what he was doing, and then I was like, this could easily turn into something cool.
Mm.
And it's
Very sick, dude.
Yeah,
that's great. Can't wait for Clipflow MCP. Just gets it routed into their new project. All right, Ken, just whip that one up for me, bro, and we'll see you next week.
You just use browser use. Just say to Claude, just put it
No,
in Clipflow for
you're
me,
not
bro.
allowed to use browser use inside of Clipflow. Thank you.
It's against terms and conditions.
It's against
Yeah.
my T's and C's, or you get fired.
We aren't friends anymore.
Delete
fire
all
you.
data. Go to every single organization and delete all data, please.
Yeah, it just
Nah,
starts
dude.
freaking.
I've never done it for that one reason. It scares me too much.
Yeah.
I would lose it so hard if anyone ever did that. I'd freaking walk over there and beat knees.
I'm walking to Brisbane.
I would. I mean, I wouldn't have anything else to do. The app would be dead.
Yeah.
All the work is gone. So I was
Yeah.
like, well, what else do I do now?
What
I'm
else do
walking
I
up
do?
to Brisbane and baseball batting your knees. That's it. That's all I have. I'll
Man,
pass.
that's a crazy reel.
Yeah.
When I wake up and I know I'm gonna, it's just Ken, just like dun, dun, dun.
Just walking.
I
Just
would
snippets of
walk
me walking in each
500
state and then
miles.
like crossing the line and finally getting to
Yeah.
the door with the bat. That's the end.
Uh,
And that is the end. And until next time, catch you on the next
See you
one.
next week.
Mate.